If you want to earn commissions by promoting online courses, here's how you can join the Udemy affiliate program step by step. Start by opening the Udemy website in your browser and scrolling down to the bottom of the homepage. In the footer section, look for the affiliates link and click on it. This will take you to the page that explains how the affiliate program works. From there, select the option to join the Udemy affiliate program. You will be redirected to the affiliate platform where Udemy manages its affiliate registrations. On that page, create an account if you don't already have one, then complete the application form by entering your personal details and information about how you plan to promote Udemy courses. After submitting the form, the platform will review your application. Once approved, you'll gain access to affiliate links that you can use to promote courses and track your referrals. Now you know how to join the Udemy affiliate program and start sharing courses while earning commissions from your referrals. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.